Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Aradhya. Today I'm going to speak few lines about Independence Day. Let's start. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. India became independent on 1947 from British rule. This year we celebrate 75th Independence Day. We remember our freedom fighter on this day. Independence Day is a national festival. The Prime Minister of India hoisted the national flag at Red Fort on this day. President give speech on this auspicious day. This day, schools, colleges, many institutions and organizations conduct a ceremony for flag hosting in different parts of our country. After hosting flag and singing our national anthem Jana Gana Mana, various cultural programs are arranged to pay tribute to our heroes of the nation. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. If you like my video, please like, comment and share my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.